In this video, we'll be covering the top tools, marketplaces, and resources to maximize your returns with NFTs. Here are 17 tools that you need to know about to get a huge advantage with your NFT trades. Rarity.Tools. The rarity of an NFT is one of the most important things to consider before making any transaction. If you haven't heard of Rarity.Tools yet, it's an essential platform that ranks NFT collections and individual NFTs based upon their rarity. With this information, you can easily get an idea of the value of an NFT and compare it to others on the market. Rarity.Tools also keeps you primed on upcoming NFT sales that you might be interested in keeping an eye on. Every NFT from a given collection has its own page, which includes a detailed breakdown of all of its distinct attributes. But what really sets Rarity.Tools apart from other tools is the rarity score that is assigned to each asset, giving you a really quick indication of whether an NFT is rare enough to consider purchasing. However, you won't find every NFT here, because Rarity.Tools charges a listing fee to all creators. So if creators aren't willing to pay, or perhaps if the fee is too high, the collection won't be available to explore. Icy.Tools. This NFT tracking platform allows you to view the latest floor prices, sales history, and volume of NFTs. It also gives you the chance to discover all of the latest projects that are being minted while tracking portfolios. The UI is very user-friendly, which makes analysis easy even for newcomers. Premium Access, which costs $75 a month, gives users detailed pages on each NFT collection. These pages include information you might find helpful, such as price charts and history for each NFT in that collection. A premium account will also give you access to the trading history of any wallet address that is listed as a buyer or seller, so you can track people in the market. NiftyRiver. With this site, you can view the latest Ethereum collections and drops while viewing live rarity rankings. It's a bit less popular than Rarity.Tools and Icy.Tools, but a few NFTs are ranked here and not on those other two platforms, making it a worthy addition to your arsenal. OpenSea. OpenSea is the most widely used NFT marketplace, and one you absolutely need to monitor if you aren't already. Besides just being a marketplace, OpenSea also serves as an excellent tool for analyzing your future NFT investments. From a collector's standpoint, OpenSea offers a comprehensive set of functionalities. It's one of the few places where you can explore NFT traits and metadata, as well as purchase and trade them. If flipping NFTs and making quick trades is your goal, having this all in one place is priceless. If you click on OpenSea's Stats tab on the main menu, you'll find rankings and activity data, all of which is presented in real time. OpenSea also supports some of the widest collection of NFTs from numerous blockchains, including Ethereum, Clayton, and Polygon. Wagme.io. Shorthand for We're Gonna Make It, this account valuation tool and NFT floor tracker lets you track current floor prices and trade volume across a variety of timeframes. There isn't much more to it than that, but if you're looking to get a better visual idea of what the data is looking like for a given collection, then there aren't many other places to go that provide this kind of service for free. Nansen.ai. This NFT data analysis platform gives users a leaderboard of the various NFT wallets based upon total profit made. You can also track much more information, such as where smart money is moving in the market and large trades made across exchanges. This tool can be incredibly valuable for crypto traders and NFT traders alike, but it does come with a hefty fee of $399 per quarter. You can get a 1-week trial for $9 to test out these insights and figure out if it's worth the cost. NFT Stats. This tool is invaluable if you're trying to track activity in the various NFT markets. It also offers an easy way of viewing all of the top selling and trending NFT collections out there. You can get a better idea of what NFTs are currently selling and which ones aren't, while also getting all of the latest insight into the NFT market by evaluating data across days, weeks, and months. CryptoSlam. While it might appear to be a fairly simple platform, CryptoSlam is an extremely powerful tool that allows users to view and discover NFT collections based upon trading volume. For each collection, there's a detailed page that includes live sales data, as well as their respective marketplaces and minting. Each individual NFT also has its own page, which includes information such as price, distinctive attributes, and rarity ranking. NFT Price Floor. This NFT data aggregation tool tracks floor prices, trade and sales volume, and several other metrics across multiple popular collections. While other tools do the same, NFT Price Floor does so in an easy-to-navigate manner. NFT Bank. This tool gives NFT investors instant insights on their investments. Among other things, investors are provided with information such as ROI, activity, and spending. Honestly, there aren't many other NFT tools out there that are better for managing your NFT portfolio and tracking their prices over time. The UI is intuitive and gives users insights in a straightforward way that is easy for just about anyone to comprehend and take advantage of. With the NFT Bank's Analytics and Signals tool, you can also discover new NFTs that might be worth investing in by reviewing numbers that could indicate upcoming market movements. Ninjalerts. The price of NFTs can go through drastic changes in just a matter of moments. Ninjalerts helps you keep a pulse on the market to take advantage of these movements when they come. The app allows you to set up your own custom alerts for any wallet or contract. You can receive alerts for any of your favorite tokens or simply just the ones that you hold. You can even get push notifications for these alerts if you so desire. Moby Insights. Moby is an NFT tool that provides you with live sales feeds and mint data, historical mint data, and graphs in real time. You can also set things up to receive alerts by SMS or in Discord. FreshDrops.io. FreshDrops is a relatively new site and one of the best ways to snipe rarities through a browser extension. Users can view rarity rankings through OpenSea, as well as trigger auto buys at specifically defined gas levels and prices. You can also view all of the Ethereum you'll be spending on each purchase. Best of all, it's free. Trade Sniper. If you're the type of person that always likes to be quick on the draw, Trade Sniper is an NFT metadata sniffing tool that will provide you with complete rarity rankings as soon as collections are revealed. Subscribers of the service also get added bonus features such as quick buy and notifications from an alert bot, among other things. There is a free version of the tool as well, which provides rarity rankings for collections within an hour of them being revealed. dAppRadar. dAppRadar allows you to discover trending NFT collections, marketplace rankings, and sales data in real time. Some of the hottest collections are displayed in multiple time frames. dAppRadar is also pretty notable for the fact that it supports NFTs from numerous blockchains, including Wax, Flow, Solana, and of course, Ethereum. ETH Gas Station. ETH Gas Station lets you compare current Ethereum gas prices across Ethereum's biggest apps and protocols. We all know gas fees have become a major cost in the NFT space, and submitting transactions when fees are low can make a massive difference in your ROI. Using ETH Gas Station will show you the best times to buy or sell, as well as recommended gas prices to make your Ethereum go as far as possible. NFT Trader. This service gives you an easy and fast way to trade your NFTs for others. Whereas most marketplaces only allow you to buy and sell, this platform gives you the ability to trade NFTs one for one, all with low fees. All trades are secure and private, and the trade won't go through until both users submit approval, so you can trust that you will receive exactly what you traded for. NFT Trader even offers their own NFTs based on users' trade activity, incentivizing users to trade even more. Hopefully, by carefully combining these tools, you can strategize your NFT investments to make the best possible returns. If you have any other tools to recommend, drop them in the comments below. And for more on NFTs and making money, check out our previous video on NFT games that you can play for free. We'll see you in the next video.